Electromagnetic waves. Introduction. We know that light from the sun is an important source in today's world. Okay, without that, human beings cannot survive in this planet. Okay, now this light is playing a very important role in studying the properties of various things from atom to universe. So without light, human cannot survive in this planet. And with light, we were able to study about many things. That is from the microscopic things to the macroscopic one. Now, initially, the scientists thought that optics is the study of light, and electromagnetism are two different branches of physics. But this person called as James Clerk Maxwell, he gave a theoretical prediction about light. That is, light is an electromagnetic wave. And this light is moving with a speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second in free space or vacuum. In free space or vacuum. Later, he confirmed that not only light is an electromagnetic wave, but there are various other waves are also there forming an electromagnetic spectrum. So the electromagnetic spectrum includes many waves, that is radio waves, gamma rays, X-rays, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, along with the visible light. Along with what? Visible light. Now this is an example of visible spectrum. Out of all these waves in an electromagnetic wave, only visible spectrum is visible to our eyes. All the other things are not visible to our eyes. So this is an example of a visible spectrum. So rainbow is the best example for what? Visible spectrum. So this is a picture which is showing rainbow and lightning together. Okay. Now, according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, the time varying magnetic field produces an electric field. Okay, that is whenever there is a change in the magnetic flux induced in a coil, it produces an what? Induced EMF that in turn produces an electric field. Okay. According to Maxwell, all things in nature are having symmetry. All things in nature are having what? Symmetry. So he had a question. When the time varying magnetic field produces a electric field, why not a time varying electric field produces a magnetic field? Why not the converse effect can be there? Okay. So this is an example for symmetry in nature. So here you can see butterfly, the symmetry of butterfly. Here the symmetry of banana. Like that, everything is having what? Symmetry in nature. So Maxwell tried this principle to the induction property. Okay. Later he proved that exists. Okay, that is a time varying electric field can produce a magnetic field, and he named it as Maxwell's law of induction. The former is called as the Faraday's law of induction since it was invented by what? Faraday. Okay, that is a time varying magnetic field can produce a electric field. So Maxwell said a time varying electric field can produce a magnetic field. Okay, now this is only a theoretical prediction, but in 1888, Hertz he verified his third theoretical prediction through an experiment. Okay, so now the existence of electromagnetic waves was proved. Okay, and this gave a better understanding, and it resulted in many new technological inventions, mainly in communication purposes, then in laser, radar. Laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, and radar means radio detection and ranging. In today's world, we know about the cell phones. It is a great influence. So we can make easier communications faster in an effective mode through the cell phones. So what is an important role here is the electromagnetic waves plays an important role. One of the electromagnetic wave, radio waves plays an important role in the communication purposes. So because of that only, today's digital world is strong. Okay. Now, another one wave of electromagnetic wave is X-rays. Using this X-rays, you can what? Diagnose the body. That is, if any bones deformity or any tumor inside your body, all that can be what detected using this X-rays. Okay, which is also a what? Electromagnetic wave. Here there is a picture of a cell phone tower and a cell phone. So from the cell phone, the signals travel as an electromagnetic wave to the tower. From that, it will reaches the satellite. Then it will be received by the tower. Again, it is given to the cell phones. Okay, so here electromagnetic waves plays a very important role. Okay, now this is a picture of an X-ray. You know, X-rays passes through our flesh, so it cannot penetrate to our bones. So you can take a picture of our bones, so you can find out the structure of the bones. Any deformity in the bones can be seen. Any location of any tumor or any foreign body particle can be seen through the X-rays. So it plays a very important role in the field of medicine. Okay. Now for cooking purposes, we are using the microwave oven. We are using the what? Microwave oven. Okay. So you know the microwave oven is using an what? Electromagnetic wave called as a microwave. So the microwave is used. This is one of the electromagnetic wave. And there are plenty of applications about this electromagnetic waves in engineering, medical, defense, and in also in what? Scientific researchers. All the fields are making use of this electromagnetic waves. So in today's wave, this electromagnetic waves plays a very, very important role. So this is about the introduction of what? The electromagnetic wave.